Introducing the 2024 Volvo XC90 T8 Phev Plus Dark AWD, the ultimate combination of luxury, safety and sustainability. With a sleek black exterior, powerful 2-litre engine and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, this MPV is perfect for any adventure. Enjoy comfort features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and voice control, while staying safe with ABS, parking assistance and collision alert. The Volvo XC90 also boasts stylish extras such as roof rails, spoiler and sunroof. Rest assured knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the Volvo XC90 today.